May, June 2024, Mathematics Paper 1. So, question 1 states you have open brackets negative 3 to the power of 2 plus open brackets negative 2 to the power of 2 is equal to. So, how are we going to find the answer for that? So, in order to find the answer for this, you need to apply BOD or bed mass. Now, when I was going to school, they call it BOD mass. Now, as of last year, 2023, I decided to go with another version of it, which is the same thing, and it's called bed mass. Because I find that the O in BOD mass don't really make sense, but the E in BOD mass makes more sense. So the E represents brackets. So anything within a bracket must be solved first. So we have negative 3 in a bracket, so we could go on the side, use it as our working column, and we can say negative 3 squared. Now, some students just make a mistake with this, right? Anything that has a power of 2, you have to write this number twice, as in 2 times. You write this number twice and multiply. So negative 3 squared is negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. Now, those of you all who don't know your negative and your positive rules, you need to learn your negative and your positive rules, because these two numbers are negative. So what is the negative rule for this? A negative multiplied by a negative always gives you a positive. Therefore, a minus by a minus will give you a plus, and 3 3s are 9. So the answer for this part is positive 9, which could also be written as 9. Because in mathematics, any number that has a positive sign in front of it, you don't have to write the positive sign. So this bracket has been removed, and I should have also said this refers to exponents, because even though the negative 3 is in brackets, we find the power, so we just found dealt with a power, anything with that has a little number on the top, right? So we were working out the powers part. Okay, so we could replace this with 9 plus, we still have to work out this part here. So I'm going to use another color. Similarly, we can see that negative 2 squared, finding the exponent, which is also known as powers, indices, exponents, and when there's a 2 power on the top, it means you write the number twice, negative 2, and you multiply them. So again, a minus by minus is a plus. Sorry about that. So minus by minus is a plus, and 2 by 2 is 4. And positive 4 could also be written as just 4. So we could put 9 add 4. So the only operation, mathematical operation that remains is to add, because we just got rid of the powers. We just solved the powers. Negative 3 squared became positive 9. Negative 2 became 4. So 9 add 4 is 13. Therefore, option D, positive 13.